Founded in 1958 under the name of Gold Star, LG Electronics has led the home appliance industry for the past 70 years. As part of the Home Appliance and Air Conditioning Company, the Component Solution Business Unit manufactures key components of appliance, like compressors and motors. As a smart total solution provider, LG Electronics Component Solution Business Unit provides a wide range of solutions, from residential appliance to commercial HVAC applications. Beginning with the production of fan motors in 1962. In 1988, manufactured direct drive motor. And in 2000, were the first in the world to manufacture linear compressors. As a result, the total accumulated production compressors and motors close to 1 billion units by 2016. The linear compressor uses a motor that produces a linear force, allowing energy to be transmitted with no conversion loss. By eliminating additional moving parts, energy consumption and noise are significantly reduced while compressor life is extended. The compact inverter reciprocating compressor can be applied to a more diverse line of products. Unlike the belted-driven washing machine, DD motor can reduce vibration and noise with the absence of a connecting belt, allows the size of the tub to be increased while size of the washing machine remains the same. Inverter motor for vacuum cleaners has exceptional suction force and is half the size of a comparable motor with equal suction power, thus can easily be applied in various vacuum cleaners. Also, inverter fan motors are used in air conditioners, air purifiers, and any other appliance product. High-efficiency rotary compressor includes a full lineup from single to twin cylinder that helps meet diverse applications, such as heat pump dryers, air conditioners, air-to-water heat pumps. We also provide an integrated solutions for garden tool. It can easily replace the engine. We also have our own casting production to ensure quality and performance of not only LG compressors, but also for automotive parts. Scroll Compressor have a diverse products lineup for various applications, such as central air conditioners, heat pumps, VRF, packaged rooftop units, and refrigeration condensing units. Our products have been made possible through active research and development, working closely with 2 research institutes in Korea and customer-oriented R&D organizations in 5 countries. Components developed as a result of these efforts are produced in our 7 global manufacturing facilities, and investments are continuously being made to optimize production and to fully automate the production process. Each component is managed through close monitoring of quality history, beginning from every stage from production to post-production, and only zero-defect products are delivered to customers. Compressors and motors produced from customer-focused development, state-of-the-art manufacturing, and exceptional quality control are being exported to 42 countries throughout the world and used in diverse products. Smart Total Solution Provider.